Hello, welcome to Made with Love by Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the X stitch. This is also called the extended linked X stitch. So for this stitch, you need multiples of 4. So I have a base stitch of DCs and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's. So that is 4 DCs for each X. So 5 into 4, 20 plus 1 DC on either side. So I have a total of 22 DCs in my base row. So you need to have multiples of 4 plus 2 DC. Now I'm going to chain 4 and turn. So that is the height of the X stitch. Now wrap your hook around twice. We're going to skip the very first stitch as the turning chain replaces the first stitch. Go into the second stitch and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over. Now we are going to skip the next 2 DCs and go into the third DC. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So you should have something like this right now. So these 2 half DCs will form the lower legs of the X. So now let's join the 2 legs. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, only the first 2 loops. So you will now be left with 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You should have something like this right now. Chain 2. Now yarn over. We are going to go into these 2 legs of where the 2 legs are joining. So these 2 loops that you see, it's quite easy to spot them. That's where the 2 bottom legs of the X join. So insert your hook under those 2 loops, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook right now. Now make a DC. So here is your very first X stitch. Let me repeat that. We're going to wrap the yarn twice around the hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over. Skip the next 2 stitches. Go into the third stitch and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you should have 4 loops on your hook. We'll work them off by yarning over and pulling through 2 at a time. So 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook under the 2 loops where the bottom legs meet, pull up a loop and make a DC. So this is how you make the extended X stitch or the extended linked X stitch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead, like, comment and share. And if there is any other stitch for which you would like me to make a tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I will do it for you. Until then, happy hooking!